and Williams went into the boards hard. That one looked like it hurt, but he is upright and skating, so that's a good sign. Here is Williams. A pass over to Gibson. TJ Gibson, Mason City's leading scorer, in all alone, shot, and he scores. But back to Williams, moves into the zone. Cross ice. Here's Gibson, shot, in, scores. A really, really good pass there by Gibson. Serene stopped all 8 he saw. Second period, Mason City.
Second period action is about to start. And chipped out by Rant. Stallman will try and enter the zone, but that puck is turned over. Big hit there by Boughton. Here's a chance for Mason City, and they score! Power play unit out with Jack Johnson, Ethan Boughton, Wells, and there's another goal! Shorty by the Toros. There's a trip right at the blue line, but nothing called. Boughton now will play it. It's turned over. Attempted shot by, and there's another goal. Screened out. I don't think Serene could see it. I couldn't see it from here, and I'm right kind of in that path. And it's sent back in. It's a shot and a goal. Here comes the Toros, 3-on-2. There's a shot deflected there, and there's another goal. Shot by Boughton, saved by Tanton. Another clear out. Here's a chance for the Toros, and they will be an empty net goal. 6-2 the score.